Next is the lipstick. Okay, so I'm taking my eye pencil and drawing a line out. Like this, very lightly. Okay. Very lightly. Okay, and then I take my lipstick or lip, whatever you have, gloss, apply it. If you have extra lipstick like this, don't rub with your hand. Take this, okay, and do that. Okay, and one more small tip for makeup is that which we have with the highlighter pen which I have. I really love using that. What I do is I just highlight this portion and highlight this portion. Okay, and blend it away, and final highlight on the eyebrows. Okay, sorry, final highlight will be on the below the eyebrows like this. Okay, this is going to be a final highlight, and finally okay, so this is my final makeup. So this is our full makeup done here. I hope you have learned from this video. I hope it was helpful for all of you. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel Dancers for Life, and we're coming up with more videos on jewelry and about the hairstyle, how to do the hairstyle for bharatanatyam. So I hope that will also be very helpful for you. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so ready to dance. Bye. Keep dancing and keep smiling.